Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets to see if they're worth your hard-earned cash. Today, we're shining a spotlight on a sleek and compact marvel, the LG CineBeam Q 4K projector. Let's find out if it's more than just a pretty face. Designed for those who value both aesthetics and performance, let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design. The CineBeam Q is a standout with its retro industrial look. Featuring an all-aluminum case and a 360-degree rotating stand that doubles as a carrying handle. It's compact, measuring just over 5 inches in all dimensions and weighing about 3.3 pounds, making it easy to move around your home. What's impressive is how LG managed to blend style with practicality. The auto screen adjustment and autofocus make setup a breeze, while manual adjustments like digital keystone correction ensure your picture is always sharp and aligned. Now, onto the real meat, picture quality. The CineBeam Q boasts 4K resolution and HDR support, which means stunning clarity and vibrant colors, whether you're watching movies or streaming your favorite shows. In our tests, it performed admirably, delivering accurate colors and decent contrast. However, it's important to note that its 500 ANSI lumens brightness might not be ideal for well-lit rooms. Dark scenes in movies like No Time to Die and Dune looked impressive, with natural skin tones and rich colors. The projector supports a wide color gamut, making for a cinematic viewing experience at home. On the downside, the built-in 3-watt speaker is underwhelming, typical of portable projectors. It's best to pair the CineBeam Q with external speakers or headphones via Bluetooth for a more immersive sound experience. Connectivity-wise, it's equipped with HDMI and USB-C inputs, alongside support for AirPlay 2 and Android Screen Share, allowing seamless streaming from your devices. The inclusion of LG's WebOS platform means you have access to popular streaming apps like Netflix and Disney+. Although Hulu and Max are noticeably absent, navigating through the interface is straightforward, thanks to the included remote control, though it's not the magic remote found on LG TVs. Still, it gets the job done. So, should you consider buying the LG CineBeam Q? If you're in the market for a stylish 4K projector that excels in design and offers solid picture quality, this could be a great fit. Its compact size and robust build make it a versatile choice for home use, though the lack of battery power limits its portability. Overall, the LG CineBeam Q impresses with its blend of style and performance. While it's not the brightest in its class and the audio could be better, it's certainly a contender if you prioritize visual fidelity and design aesthetics. That wraps up our review of the LG CineBeam Q. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.